All over the world, people are looking for a warm and cozy atmosphere, and at the same time for means to help saving energy. In that case, a fireplace or stove is often the ideal solution. We tend to forget, though, that fire and heat can also be dangerous. As worldwide market leader and reference in the field of fire protection and high temperature insulation, Promat has developed the Promafour system, which guarantees an ideal and aesthetic insulation of your fireplace or stove. The system can be used for new constructions as well as renovation projects. To protect your fireplace with a decorative encasement, which is both safe, sustainable and saves energy, Promafour is the right choice. To prevent overheating and heat loss, an insulating incombustible Promasil 1000L board with a thickness of 30mm or 50mm in case of a timber construction is placed on the floor and the back wall using screws and Promafour glue 1000. Depending on the instructions of the fireplace or stove manufacturer, you can also insulate the fireplace and metal chimney ducts with Promafour HTI 1100 blankets. To install the Promafour system, 70mm wide metal U-profiles are screwed into the floor and ceiling. We then put 18mm thick and 68mm wide Promafour studs into the U-profiles every 60cm. These studs consist of the same material as the Promafour boards. On the corners we place L-shaped Promafour studs. These are made of two studs glued together with Promafour glue 1000 and then fixed with stainless steel screws or staples to obtain an L shape. As soon as the Promafour studs are in place, the Promafour boards can be installed. These solid boards are glued to the Promafour studs with the Promafour glue 1000 and then stapled or attached with screws with a self-milling head. Promafour boards can handle temperatures up to 1000 degrees Celsius and are the ideal boards to insulate and finish your fireplace or stove in a safe and aesthetic way. These large-sized calcium silicate and cement boards have a high mechanical strength and are incombustible and very easy to finish without additional plastering. Promafour boards can be cut very easily and installed with traditional tools. On top of these features, these boards have a very high heat storage capacity. As soon as the Promafour boards have been installed, we can start with the finishing of the boards. The joints and screw heads have to be sealed with 2 or 3 layers of Promafour joint filler. The Promafour boards are now ready to be finished with a traditional paint system or glass fibre to obtain a perfectly smooth surface. The Promat Promafour system allows you to enjoy the beauty, coziness and heat of your fireplace in a safe environment.